Hello everyone, welcome back to Rural Cooking by Thida again, and for my recipe today is how to make a delicious jelly. Okay, this jelly is very popular for the dry season in Cambodia like this. Okay, so now let's see the ingredient. Yeah, I have the pandan leaf. Yeah, I have coconut milk. Yeah, coconut meat, sugar, salt, and this kind of jelly. Okay, so now let's enjoy with me, everyone. For this pack of jelly, I use 3 liter of water. Yeah, and for this water, I blend with the pandan leaf. Yeah, and now I add the 3 liter of water into the pot, and I add 1 pack of jelly into the pot. Yes, and I add 500 gram of white sugar. Yes, into the pot, and I add a little bit salt. Yeah. Okay, now I add some sweetened milk. Yeah, to get the good taste. Yeah, for the taste you can get any taste that you like. If you like sweet, you can add more sugar. Yeah. Okay, after I add the sweetened milk, I start to stir it like this. Yes, stir it until the water is boiling. Yes. And when the water is boiling about 7 to 8 minutes, we can stop it, and I add the coconut meat that I showed you before into the pot. Yes. Okay, now the water is boiling. Yeah, so waiting until 5 minutes more. Yeah, and we can stop the heat. Really good smell from the jelly. Okay, now I stir it. And I stop the heat now. Okay, now I add the jelly into a small pot like this. Yeah, and waiting until it become crisp. Yeah, we can serve it. Okay, and for the coconut milk, I add into the pot, and I add some jelly powder. Yeah, and waiting until the coconut milk is boiling. Yeah, and we can then we can add on the top of the jelly. Okay, waiting maybe 30 minutes more. Yes, we can serve with this jelly. Okay, thank you so much for your watching, everyone. Long time no see you. I really miss all of you so much. Okay, now I start to cut it into the piece, and we can keep them into the refrigerator. Yes, it really more delicious. Yes, and I hope this sweet, everyone will enjoy. And thank you so much for your watching my video, and don't forget share and subscribe to my channel if you like. Wow, this chili is really, really good and looks so yummy, everyone, and the taste really yummy also. Okay, if you like, don't forget try to do it. It is really easy, yeah, and for the taste is the best. Okay, that is my jelly, everyone. Thank you so much for your watching. Okay, hope to see you next video. Goodbye.